Hello everybody, what's going on today? I want to show you a quick one on how to add some vibe to your drum bus. I'm going to be using the reverb and the delay, and yes, I know that adding reverb and delay to a drum can actually sync its dynamics and transients, but this is a cool trick on using it in a parallel way. I have my drum bus here. I created a new bus called the drum verb, and I'll be using it in a pre-fader mode, which means that the signal here is coming first before the faders. I'll be using the PSP chamber. It's a free reverb and it sounds great. I chose a preset here called the drums chamber. It was what I used. I'm also adding a yak delay from Safari pedals to give it some weird bounce as well. And I'll also be sidechaining the drum bus with a compressor with heavy ratio, fast attack, and a medium release, and an EQ to cut off certain frequencies, the highs and the lows, just letting the reverb pass through the middle. Because it's drums as well, I want it to affect more of the mid frequencies other than the high or low frequencies. So without further ado, this is the drums. Opening up the effect sounds like this. I'll be exaggerating it just to hear how it sounds, and we'll blend it in with the drums just to have the feel we need. So as you can hear, initially it sounds airy. Adding it alone to the drums has killed the vibe of the drums. No more transients in the drums. So we're going to blend it in now. As you can hear, it's adding a very nice bounce to the drums, opening it up a bit, giving it some space in the music to flow. It's like there's movement in the drums now, it's giving it movement. This is without it. The drums kind of sound way static, very static, but adding it gives it a whole lot of bounce around the drums, making it have movement. So remember to be subtle in your approach to this and not to overdo it to sync your drums. So this is just a quick one on how to add some extra bounce to your drums if you have a dance music. Alright guys, catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.